Welcome back to the car updates. The 2026 Honda Ridgeline continues to be powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine, now tuned to deliver a more responsive 285 horsepower and 265 lb-ft of torque. It's paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, replacing the previous 9-speed, which makes for smoother shifts and better towing control. All-wheel drive is now standard across the lineup, a move that signals Honda's push to make the Ridgeline more off-road capable while maintaining its signature smoothness on pavement. The towing capacity remains competitive at 5,000 pounds, and it now includes an enhanced trailer sway control system to boost confidence during hauls. Fuel efficiency sees a modest improvement thanks to lightweight materials and smarter drivetrain tuning. Expect EPA estimates around 21 miles per gallon city and 26 miles per gallon highway. Impressive figures for a truck that doesn't sacrifice power for economy. But it's really in the ride quality where the Ridgeline shines. The unibody frame and independent rear suspension continue to offer best-in-class ride comfort. You'll notice far less bounce and jitter compared to body-on-frame rivals, making it perfect for family trips, daily driving, or weekend DIY projects. Now let's talk exterior. The 2026 Ridgeline gets a serious visual update. Honda has redesigned the front fascia with a more assertive grille and slimmer LED headlamps that give it a modern, aggressive edge. The hood is now more sculpted, with muscular lines that better match its performance. Around back, you'll find redesigned taillights, a revised bumper with integrated step pads, and a wider, more functional tailgate. Speaking of which, the dual-action tailgate remains a standout feature, opening both downward and to the side for added versatility. The in-bed trunk returns, still water-resistant and lockable, but now with more volume and an integrated drain plug for tailgaters and campers. Color options have also expanded, and Honda is leaning into bold hues like Radiant Red Metallic 2 and Sonic Gray Pearl, while still offering refined shades like Lunar Silver Metallic and Crystal Black Pearl. The blacked-out trim package, now available across more trims, gives the Ridgeline a stealthy, sportier presence, especially when paired with 20-inch alloy wheels that now come standard on the higher trims. Inside the cabin, Honda focuses on blending utility with luxury. Soft-touch materials cover the dash, and the updated center console layout is more ergonomic and offers increased storage. A new 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard. Honda also integrates Google built-in on the top trims, letting you access Google Maps, Assistant, and Play Store directly from the dash. Seating is supportive with available leather trim, heating, and ventilation in the front, and even heated rear seats on the Black Edition model. Rear passengers benefit from class-leading legroom, and the flat rear floor allows for easy loading of large items when the seats are flipped up. Honda's clever cabin storage continues to impress, offering multiple hidden compartments, including under-seat storage that keeps your tools or gear neatly tucked away. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Honda Ridgeline, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know in the comments, would you choose the Ridgeline over a Tacoma or Frontier? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.